Welcome back to another video. So this week I have some things that I need to check off my to-do list, take down my Halloween decorations, catch up on laundry, do a deep clean on our back patio. Also going to be trying out a brand new recipe and I'm going to share that with you guys as well. So let's get started. Starting this video off with a deep clean on our back patio. This is actually old footage from a while ago, like right before fall season. It was still super hot outside, but we were getting prepared for fall season because that's when we like to hang out on our patio the most because the weather is just perfect. As you can tell, I still have my braids in. This was right before I took them out. I'm just taking off all of my removable cushion covers and pillow covers, and I'm gonna throw that in the washing machine. There is one big cushion out back that doesn't have a removable cover, so we're just gonna spray that with the power washer. And when I say we, I mean Brandon, because he's gonna be doing the majority of the cleaning back there. So yeah.
I don't wanna fall for you, oh no, but you make it so hard. Watching you dance all night, baby, is making me fall hard. Trying to take a deep breath, but I just can't control my lungs. Ooh. Trying to hide my cold sweat, but I just keep on talking in tongues. It's a funny situation that I got myself into. I can't help my own frustration. I like it. I think I like it. Got nothing to lose. 'Cause I think I like you. Tell me if you like me too.
If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that we are a military family. We move all the time, and this is our last year here, and it feels like we just got here. We're going on our third year, and we are so excited for the next place that we're going. We're going to be moving next summer, and I want you guys to guess in the comments where you think we're gonna be moving. I'm pretty sure nobody's gonna get this, but I'll give you guys a couple hints. So the city that we're moving to starts with a B. It's a huge city. It's nowhere near Tennessee whatsoever. And also there's no army base there, which means that the position that Brandon accepted is pretty special. And for the last hint, our lifestyle is gonna be changing drastically because of the city that we're moving to.
I like it. I think I like it. Got nothing to lose. 'Cause I think I like it. Tell me if you like me
The patio has been cleaned. We have been loving sitting out there, but let's fast forward to this week. So I'm gonna be getting started on the recipe I'm gonna share with you guys, which is cottage pie or shepherd's pie, whatever you wanna call it. I found this recipe on TikTok like I do most of my recipes. I will try to link it down below if I can remember. I started boiling my water because that's what takes the longest because I'm gonna be making mashed potatoes from scratch. While that's boiling, I am putting dishes away. I'm gonna clean and peel the potatoes and then chop them up and put them in the pot.
It's for somebody special. Yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight.
If you know how to make mashed potatoes from scratch, you know it's super easy. So I already got that done. That's sitting back there on the warmer, and I just threw in 2 pounds of ground beef. Let the ground beef cook, soak up the grease when that's done, and then I added either a half of a large onion or a small onion to the ground beef, and then frozen peas and carrots. I added a little bit more peas to it. And then I just mixed it up until the peas and carrots got soft. I added about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and then mixed that around. I made a little well in the middle with some olive oil and then added a little bit of flour. Then I added about 2 cups of beef broth slowly. I just kept mixing and just slowly pouring it in. The most important part is to season your meat after everything is cooked down. So I did onion powder, garlic powder. I'm pretty sure I put some kind of Cajun seasoning in there, Worcestershire sauce, and mixed that around till it was simmering. Then I poured it into a 9x13 pan, topped it with a little bit of cheese. You can skip that part. And then you're gonna grab your mashed potatoes and put that on top. Then you're just gonna throw it into the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes.
Yeah, can't believe it's so. Yeah, 20 nights been so.
All right, so while that's cooking in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the kitchen. I do like to clean as I cook, so I don't have that many things to get done in the kitchen, but I'm gonna tidy up.
Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, give me coach, yeah, give me coach, yeah, to get me back to you. Give me coach, yeah, give me coach, nah, give me coach, yeah, to get me back to you. Cannot deny it's a couscous. And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness. My no be boss. See Oluwa don't bless me. Not true, no be ghost ride. If they say I didn't listen, babe, you're the one that I'm missing, girl. And my darling, would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, nah, coach, yeah, get me back to you. Oh, nah, coach, yeah, to get me back to you.
All right, dinner is done. Here I am plating it up, remembering to show you guys the final results for once. It was really, really good. The kids loved it. So we're gonna eat this and then we're gonna make some popcorn afterwards and sit down for our family movie night that we love to do, especially during the month of October. And the kids love older movies. So we're gonna sit down and watch the movie Signs. Then I'll pick back up with you guys the next day. As you can tell, it was a super rainy day on Halloween, but we still managed to have some fun because it stopped raining right before we went out trick-or-treating. Blake is Harry Potter again this year, but this time they have upgraded robes because we got them from Universal Studios when we visited the Harry Potter world, and they wore them both days we were there. And Brayden back there, he chose to be in Hufflepuff, so that's his robe. And we just went trick-or-treating. It started drizzling a little bit, but it wasn't too bad.
Be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through. So close your eyes.
And then when we got home, of course the kids had to dump out all their candy to see what they caught. And then I just got started on boiling my spaghetti noodles because I already made the meat sauce before we went trick-or-treating. And for my meat sauce, I used ground turkey, smoked sausage, bell pepper, onion, fresh garlic, a really good quality spaghetti sauce from my local grocery store. And then I topped it with red pepper flakes and grated Parmesan cheese on a paper plate because I did not want to do any more dishes. It's the next day, and now that Halloween is over, I'm gonna take down all of my Halloween decor. And one thing about these bats and witch hats and little ghosts that are hanging up, it takes up little to no space. So all of those bats fit in one like larger Ziploc bag. The witch hats stack on top of one another. So it just makes it so much easier to put away because it takes up no space. So that's what we're gonna be doing for the rest of this video.
Just to get you off my mind. It's either yes or it's no. I'm not a yo-yo on a string that you flip and twist and swing. I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, second guessing your words, 'cause you choke right when I see that you're all I really need. But if I'm honest, I know this whole thing has been a sign that I'm running out of time. I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like.
So if you saw my Halloween decorate with me, you saw that we had way more witch hats hanging up on the front porch than just these two, but it's been super windy lately and they've been just falling down left and right, so I've just been kind of collecting them and just putting them away.
I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, I'm not gonna vibe tonight. You don't get everything you like, 'cause I'm not ready. If I'm not ready, you don't get everything you like, yeah.
just taking the batteries out of my candlesticks and the little wand that turns them on and off. I'm glad I remembered this time because I left the batteries in the candlesticks last time and a lot of the batteries corroded and almost damaged some of the candles. And now that this is our last Halloween here, I'm glad I remembered to take them out because that could have been bad. That is it. That's all of my Halloween decor, and that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.